today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already, and if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Today I'm going to be showcasing a unit from the company Arabella Hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all of the details down below in the description area, but this is what the unit looks like. But right here, what I am showing you guys is freshly washed. I use my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner, and I have not put any products in it. They're 6x5 curly wave reddish brown hair, and this is in the length 16 inches. It does come with a comb in the back. It doesn't come with any combs on the side, and that is the parting space area. And you could probably see like just a little bit of tint right in this area because I did go in with my Tailored Crowns Almond Tint Spray because it was just coming off a little bit light. Now with this particular wig, the knots on this are very small. You don't have to go in and bleach the knots. I do feel like that if you put your powder into the parting space area, it is going to conceal it pretty well. Because this unit doesn't have any adjustable straps in the back, I'm definitely going to make sure to attach this removable elastic band for extra security because I do have a small head and I want to make sure that this isn't going to flop off of my head. I don't want those problems. What the front of the hairline is looking like, and honestly I feel like I could have went in with just a little bit more tint spray. I didn't want to come off too heavy because I don't want it to look like too orange, but maybe once I blend everything in and like melt it down, it'll blend in more to my skin. Like I feel like once I pull it, it's not too bad. Look at this color up close because I feel like back here it looks a little bit darker. This is definitely one that's going to look better in natural sunlight and not in front of like the ring light and my side lights. But up close, you can really see how pretty it is. Into this parting space, look at all that parting. Look at all that parting, that looks really good. And this is about as far back as I would go because you don't want to run into any tracks. The good thing is the track in the back is very thin, so it's not going to look bulky at all. What the side parting looks like, and I think that's the furthest. No, you can go over a little bit more, but if you go over this far, then you will run into tracks. So you get a lot of parting going on. For today, I'm going to be using my She Is Bomb Lace Putty because this is really lightweight. And I'm just going to take the end of this rat tail comb to slide that underneath it. Now on this side, I do feel like there's a little bit of excess lace I can cut off. It's just like a sculpting hair gel, but it keeps everything in place. So you only just need a little thin amount. So I'm just going to slide that underneath. I'm going to take my rat tail comb, well the end of it, and I'm just going to press everything down into place. And you can probably start to see my tint spray starting to darken up a little bit, and that can happen and that's fine. We'll see what it looks like when everything dries down because I can always go in with just like a little bit lighter powder. Like dry down, y'all almost let the tint spray, you almost let it scare you, huh? It just need to be dry, that's all. Seeing the hair like this, I low-key want to do like a half up, half down, but of course we want to make sure we cover up some of these tracks. I gave you guys two options, the half up, half down, and also just a straight middle part. I like both looks. Now, of course, the half up, half down, I think is definitely more playful. And then this one you can definitely rock for every day. I like the middle part a little bit more because I feel like with the half up, half down, I could have added a little bit more hair in so the ponytail didn't look so thin, but I also could have fluffed it up a little bit more. But I wanted to show you guys that even with a closure unit, you can still make it look super realistic like a frontal. I feel like this hair is pretty lightweight. I don't feel like the density is too heavy. I also like the length. Yes, I did have to go in and kind of trim down a little bit in the front area, and I also noticed that some pieces of hair are a little bit looser than other pieces of hair. Now, when I added the product in, I did go in with a brush and I kind of combed it like under, like I was curling it. It gives spiral curls to certain parts of the hair, which I just picked apart. So I like that because there's like different patterns going on. Seeing that, I went in with my lace putty and it laid the lace down perfectly. Yes, my tint spray started to show up and show out, and I already knew once it dried down how well it was going to melt into my skin. But look at this lace. The lace is nice and thin, and I have no issues with the way that it blended down. Like, look at that. That looks so good. And of course, with that lace putty, I'll just spray a little bit of water right here and it's just going to come right up. But if you just wanted to add a little bit of mousse in the front, you should be good to go. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I did receive a little bit of shedding during the styling process. Once I put the water on and ran the comb through it, I feel like it was fine. Now the ends, I do feel like are a little bit dry and frizzy. I tried to put more product towards the ends just to kind of have it curl up a little bit more, but it is definitely cute. You can rock this one straight out of the package if you choose to. However, I decided to go in and give it a nice little wash. During the washing process, I did notice a little bit of color bleeding out. I did wash it twice. After the second time, it wasn't as much, but that first time around is when you could really see it, but it still didn't take away from the color. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. If you are feeling this one, I am gonna make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.